Hello and welcome to Automatica 2025. Here at Comau we have some very exciting news for you. And the first one of all is the world premiere of MyCo. MyCo is a new family of collaborative robots that are going from 3 up to 15 kg of payload. And the main characteristic of this family is that are extremely easy of use, easy to integrate, and they have additionally a 6-axis force-tone sensor integrated in all the models. The second new addition to our family, and again a world premiere, is MyMR. In this case we are talking about a family of AMR, autonomous mobile robots. We have 3 new products that are going from 300, 500 up to 1,500 kg of payload, and have also attachment available, like in this case a lifter. In this case, in front of me you can see the MyMR 300. The third product that we are introducing here at Automatica is our newest version and most advanced spot welding gun called NWG. This female welding gun can manage different kind of arms, is designed for extreme reconfigurability and maintainability. As you can see, all the main parts can be easily accessible for maintenance whenever is needed. In addition to new product launches, we are also confirming here at Automatica our expertise in industrial automation and robotics. In this case, you see a cell that we developed in collaboration with Racontech and Siemens, where there is a Racer 7 robot controlled by Siemens SIMATIC controller. This solution is perfect for all the customers that are used to Siemens environment and want to have a very easy programming and integration solution for their environment. The last products we are showcasing here at Automatica are the family of passive exoskeleton mates. Passive exoskeletons are devices without electricity, without battery, that are helping operators in a stressful condition to remove muscle stress and muscle pain. The first one is Mate XT, and as Lucrezia is showing, is helpful to all the operators that need to spend long hours to raise arm. And the second one is Mate XB, perfect for intralogistic and warehousing operation, especially when you need to raise boxes to remove stress from the lower back of your body. That is all. Thank you for patience and welcome to Automatica.